Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the video effect to background only in CapCut PC. So for example, going to select this image and go to effect, select effect you like to add, for example, and then select the clips, right click and create component clip. Back to media and add the same image, but you can put the second clip as an overlay, put on top. Go to cutout or remove the background. So select the auto cutout. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.